Look everyone, the lake is magnificent. The water is crystal blue and emerald green at the same time.
On a brighter day, we can even see rainbow colors in the water.
How is that possible?
According to the local legend, the rainbow colors come from the jewels of a princess necklace which are scattered at the bottom of the lake.
Jewels of Princess Necklace? Care to tell us the story, Dewa?
Once upon a time, there was a kingdom here in West Java called Kutatanggahan. There lived a wise king named Prabu Swartalaya and his queen Ratu Purbamana. The people lived happily in prosperity.
I know the story. The king and queen didn't have a child, did they?
If they didn't have a child, how could there be a princess?
They didn't have a child at first. However, after intense prayer, the queen gave birth to a daughter who they named Gilang Rukmini. Everyone in the kingdom loved and spoiled the princess. Her every wish was fulfilled. That made her a spoiled princess.
Let me guess, did the king and queen then give a necklace to the princess?
If I'm not mistaken, the king did. One day, the princess reached the age of 17. On her birthday, everyone in the kingdom brought gifts to the palace because they loved her. The king kept the gifts in the palace as he intended to use them for the needs of the people. He only took some gold and gems to be made into a necklace.
The king made the necklace himself, didn't he?
No, Janet. The king asked a jeweler to make the necklace.
The necklace was made of the gold and gems that were given by the people from all over the kingdom, wasn't it?
Right. On that day, the king and queen together with all the people of the kingdom gathered for the princess' birthday celebration. King Prabu Swartalaya gave the necklace to Princess Gilang, saying, "My daughter, accept this necklace as a gift from the people from all over the kingdom." To everyone's surprise, however, the princess rejected the gift.
Oh no, the princess didn't say anything bad, did she?
The princess said, "I don't want to wear the necklace. It's ugly." Upon hearing her daughter, Ratu Purbamana became very sad and started crying. Everyone cried too. Their tear flowed and flooded the entire palace, sinking Kutatangguhan kingdom and forming a beautiful lake.
Since then, it is said that the water in Talaga Warna gets its color from the gems of the necklace, which are scattered at the bottom of the lake.
Teman-teman baru saja mendengarkan Dewa dan Abdul bergantian menceritakan legenda Telaga Warna. Legend atau legenda adalah cerita rakyat zaman dahulu yang ada hubungannya dengan asal-usul terbentuknya sebuah tempat. Karena legenda adalah sebuah cerita, legenda termasuk sebagai teks naratif. Perlu kita ingat kembali bahwa naratif teks memiliki struktur orientation atau latar belakang cerita, complication atau konflik dalam cerita, dan resolution atau resolusi konflik. Janet dan Ida banyak bertanya tentang legenda Telaga Warna saat Dewa dan Abdul bercerita. Dalam pertanyaan-pertanyaannya, mereka menggunakan question tag dalam simple past tense. Simple past tense digunakan karena membicarakan peristiwa yang telah berlalu. Lalu, apa itu question tag? Question tag adalah pertanyaan singkat di akhir sebuah pernyataan. Artinya adalah sebuah kalimat yang diakhiri dengan bukan dan berfungsi untuk mengkonfirmasi kebenaran dari pernyataan tersebut. Question tag diawali dengan tanda koma dan diakhiri oleh tanda tanya. Contohnya adalah kalimat, The king and queen didn't have a child, did they? Dalam membuat question tag dalam simple past tense, ada struktur yang dapat kita ikuti. Question tag dibentuk dengan menggunakan kata kerja did atau didn't yang diikuti oleh subjek kalimat. Bila kalimat tersebut positif, maka question tag harus negatif. Sebaliknya, bila kalimat tersebut negatif, maka question tag harus positif. Bila kalimat tersebut menggunakan kata kerja to be, yaitu was atau were, maka question tag menggunakan kata kerja to be juga. Dalam meminta dan memberikan informasi tentang sebuah legenda, kita dapat menggunakan question tag dalam simple past tense. Question tag adalah pertanyaan singkat di akhir sebuah pernyataan yang berfungsi untuk mengkonfirmasi kebenaran dari pernyataan tersebut. Question tag dalam simple past tense dibentuk dengan menggunakan kata kerja did atau didn't yang diikuti oleh subjek kalimat. Bila kalimat tersebut positif, maka question tag harus negatif. Sebaliknya, bila kalimat tersebut negatif, maka question tag harus positif. Bila kalimat tersebut menggunakan kata kerja to be, yaitu was atau were, maka question tag juga menggunakan kata kerja to be juga. Demikian pembelajaran hari ini. Goodbye for now.